The incredible benefits of a daily protein shake. Are you considering incorporating a protein shake into your morning routine? You might be surprised how this affects your health beyond supporting muscle growth and meeting your protein needs. Could there be additional benefits? Let's explore what happens when you drink a protein shake every morning. Welcome back, everyone. Protein shakes have surged in popularity for several good reasons. They serve as a beloved dietary supplement that can assist you in reaching your fitness objectives. Additionally, they can aid in weight loss by promoting satiety and provide benefits for post-workout recovery. Quite impressive, right? But is it necessary to consume protein shakes daily? Stay tuned to find out more. Promotes fullness. One major benefit of having a high-protein breakfast, such as a protein shake, is its effectiveness in curbing cravings and enhancing feelings of fullness throughout the day. Research shows that a high-protein breakfast can reduce ghrelin levels, a hormone that triggers hunger, more effectively than a high-carb meal. As a result, starting your day with a protein shake can help you greatly lower calorie intake and potentially lose weight. Number 2. Ensures adequate protein intake. While protein is present in a range of foods, some individuals, particularly vegetarians or those with dietary restrictions, may struggle to meet their protein needs. Protein shakes can be incredibly beneficial in these cases. Animal sources of protein offer complete proteins, which means they contain all essential amino acids. Conversely, many plant-based proteins are incomplete. Therefore, integrating high-quality protein shakes can help fill this nutritional gap. Number 3. Supports muscle growth. Protein plays a crucial role in our bodies. It constructs our muscles, organs, hormones, enzymes, and neurotransmitters. For those who are actively pursuing fitness, protein is vital for muscle growth and tissue repair. It contributes to the structure of muscles, maintains pH and fluid balance, and acts as a messenger for cellular communication. Number 4. Adds extra nutrients. Besides providing amino acids, protein shakes can also incorporate a variety of vitamins and minerals. You can easily blend in nutrient-dense vegetables like kale, beets, spinach, and zucchini. Fruits such as bananas, strawberries, kiwis, and blueberries are also great options. They are rich in fiber, vitamins, antioxidants, and minerals, and they enhance the flavor of your shake. You might consider adding other nutritious elements like milk, nuts, seeds, yogurt, as well as various spices and herbs. Number 5. Aids post-workout recovery. One of the standout advantages of protein shakes is their efficacy in post-workout recovery. Consuming a protein shake within 30 minutes after exercising helps supply your muscles with the necessary nutrients to recover and repair tissues. This aids in effectively fueling your muscles post-workout, making them stronger and more efficient. Now that you're familiar with the benefits of drinking a protein shake every morning, do you recognize the positive effects it can have on your health? Are you ready to give it a try? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this information useful, give the video a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to the channel for more fascinating facts about the human body. Also, check out these 2 additional videos. They could help you achieve your health and fitness goals.